Telegram downloaded file not showing on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let me guide you to fix the photos or videos not showing on your Telegram on Android device. Without further ado, let's get started. First, you need to make sure to check Shape to Gallery settings in Telegram. To do that, open Telegram app and make sure that you log in. Tap three-line menu icon and from the side menu you need to tap Settings. Here you got different settings option. Tap on data and storage and make sure that you turn on for save to gallery. So toggle on all the options like private chats, groups or channels. So all the photos and videos from this different channels will directly save to your gallery. Now you need to check whether your issue resolved or not. If not yet, you need to restart your phone. Simply restarting your phone and checking gallery or file manager again can fix your issue. So once you have done that, you need to check if media is hidden. For that, you can easily open file manager or simply files applications. Navigate to internal storage at bottom left corner and from here you need to locate Telegram. Make sure that you look for .no media. If there is any, you need to delete it and restart your phone and check again. Next step is to grant storage permissions to Telegram. Simply long press on app icon and tap on I button to access app info page of Telegram. Tap on permissions option and make sure you allow storage permissions. You need to make sure to allow other permissions as well on Telegram. This will directly impact your photos and videos not saving to your gallery or not showing. So by following all these steps, you will successfully fix Telegram downloaded files not showing on Android. I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.